problem. No unemployment amongst the youth them. You can't tell me that I no problem. Transportation on the road them. You can't tell me that I no problem. Is only no problem to the tourists them. Cause they go there for holiday and come out again. And to the Jamaicans so friendly with them. Every tourist we say Jamaica no problem. But times hard. Fin up Jamaica my friend. But they still a kin teeth with the tourists them. Them a kin teeth. Cause them want them come back again. But them more a kin teeth with what the tourists spend. Them I say no problem. Jamaica no problem. If I no problem, I make them no solve them. No problem, Jamaica no problem. Well, if I no problem, I make them no solve them. Prices gone up, the wages stop still. How the people supposed to pay a light bill? Redundancies and the unemployment. How the people supposed to give the landlord the rent? You say Jamaica, it should be much, much richer. So much poor people shouldn't dare Jamaica. Look on the food, look on the agriculture. It's in a big, big demands. The